a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and 7, and 8.
Hi, Telly.
Hi, Abby.
That looks like some really good exercise.
Oh, yeah. It sure is, Abby, because it's my shaky, take a breaky workout. Moving my body around helps me feel real good.
Oh, that's what my ocean bottle does for me. Yep, it's something I can use to help calm my body when I'm having a big feeling.
Wow, is that what that pretty blue thing is right there?
Yep. Oh, it's great for when I'm feeling nervous or excited or even if I'm feeling angry. Because, well, sometimes those big feelings make me feel like this. Watch. The waves are rough and they're swirling around. But when the waves settle down a little bit, like this, I take a few deep breaths. Watch. Here, calm now. Then my big feelings don't feel as big anymore. They're smaller, like these little gentle waves. And watching the water helps my body feel calmer and relaxed.
Wow, that is amazing, Abby.
Yeah, it sure is, right?
Yeah.
Hey, do you want to try it?
Oh, but Abby, I'm not having any big feelings right now.
Well, that's okay, Telly. You know, you can practice using it for when you are having big feelings. Here.
Ooh, The water inside is nice and cool. I love how heavy the bottle feels in my hands.
Yeah. Oh, my favorite part is watching the waves move back and forth because they make such a relaxing sound. Listen.
Yeah. Wow. I really love this bottle, Abby. Where'd you get it?
I made it.
You made this? How?
My mommy helped me. It's mostly water in a clear bottle, and you add a few drops of blue food coloring and some vegetable oil, and ta-da! You've got yourself a handy-dandy ocean bottle.
Wow. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna make one when I get home. But can I keep practicing with this one for now?
Of course you can, Telly. And in the meantime, I'm gonna try the flaky, rakey, wakey, snaky workout.
You mean the shaky, take a breaky
Workout! Yeah.
Close enough, Abby.
This is fun. It feels great. I'm glad we have things to help us with our big feelings, Telly.
Me too, Abby. Me too.